I'm Peter. I have a Fisker and when I bought it I did not select any floor mats because I didn't like the one that you can order extra, and I thought there was some kind of floor mats, but when I picked it up it was none. Instead, in the beginning I made my own. I take some thick paper, did some templates, and then I bought this carpet, what you can call it, with sticks, pigs on the back, and I just cut it out. They're not the nicest, but now I have ordered new one for a Fisker from bilmattor.com. It's about 1200 Swedish kroner. I haven't opened the package yet. I will do that now and see if they are nicer than these ones. So here we have the package. I selected premium. It should be black mats with white stitches, and I also selected text on the side that says ocean in white. So after I ordered it, it just took a couple of work days, but not so long. They are shipping and produced in Poland. So let's open it. Oh, they look nice. I like soft floor mats because when I'm driving far I often do it without shoes. And here we have ocean and some clips. I hope they will fit. This is for the driver's side. Here we have for the passenger side, ocean. Looks really good. See if they fit. Put that one there. And then for the back, it's folded because it's one complete. Soft and nice. This will be great. So now we have looked at them. Is it white stitches on the side? No, I don't think so. So now we will take out all the old ones. The one I made by my own. They have been working pretty well. But the fabric is not so great. They have been worn off quite heavily. I have had this since December. And now for the passenger side. What I did, I actually just made some holes that was a little bit smaller than the pins in the floor, and then just pushed. But the color is not so nice. Should we see if we can put this in the driver's seat? Let's put it in, see if the clips works. Yeah, was it? Yeah, maybe it's a little bit short. You can see, and then we see the ocean. Pretty neat. And let's see if we can take the passenger. Passenger side. Just put it in and see if we can put it in place. And yeah, there was a click and a click. It could be a little bit higher, shouldn't do any harm, but it looks quite okay, I think. Real black. Then we go back to the other side. Then we see if we can put the back seat floor mat in. And we see how it fits. On this one we don't have any text. I think you are able to get it if you want, but I thought that it's better to not have it. It's nicer. It's no clips on this one, but yeah, it fits really well. Then we take a closer look. It goes all the way in. This space here is really nice to have, especially for the kids that sits in the middle. Then we take a closer look in the front. Here it could go a little bit further up here, but it's okay. And the clips, I may put it in place. And here we have ocean. You can put any text you like or not have it at all. It's all up to you. Then we go over to the other side again, to the passenger side, and see how it's looking. Here you can see it could be a little bit further up, but I think it's enough. And the clips, puts it in place. Then we have ocean. Real nice. And when we add it, it's possible to order for the trunk as well, but I have this little bit thicker rubber mat, because I always have a tool bag and heavy machines that I put in here. So it's good to have a little thicker matte, so it's not damage anything below. I really like this one. You can buy it in big sheets and then cut it in the right. Yeah, that's all. There we have the old ones. The color do not match the car, but the new one really does. Thank you for watching. Thank you.